Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's got a font that they want the S connected to and cut it all out of 1/8" plywood for a backdrop for this time of year. Congratulations to seniors or graduates. The font is AETH. They got off DA fonts. The A is cut out, but it's there it is right there. It says it before, so it's A. It's a nice font. So I always look at it, left click, right click, and you see it's not welded together. We're not worried about that this isn't touching yet, but we're going to get rid of these welds. So I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go to Arrange and go here to this shaping and weld it. That connects all the letters. Now I'm going to go to Arrange and break the curve apart. I've got my nudge factor just set on 0.1. I think it would be better to nudge it instead of moving this S. So we're just going to nudge it over a couple. Whoop. You need to make sure you select it all to get the interior part and then nudge it over to your, whatever you think that looks the best for strength. I'm actually going to move this to like 0.05 and move it a little bit more again, because I want it a little bit strong. It's going to go past the T, which is going to be kind of good. But then you just take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now, my only other concern would be this right here. They're going to put magnets on the back and pin it to fabric. So that might be strong enough. If they don't think it's strong enough, you can take the shape tool using the Alt key to select those three nodes and then just move them up. And just give them a little bit more strength. I don't think it's going to take away from the look. Now, after we've done stuff like that, you need to take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in, and then left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline, and that will cut out and all be one piece. I think it looks pretty good because the S is actually going below the T, and it's very readable. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.